again. It's a rich thing.
Clinical studies. My dear students, if you are very good in pharmacology, your pathophysiology, biochemistry, biostatistics, or cell or molecular biology, if these are your favorite subject, then you can join as a junior clinical research associate. After some promotion, you will become the senior clinical research associate. Okay, with your experience. So after B.Pharm, you have to do M.Pharm or PhD, you can directly join, but after M.Pharm, you can also join. And yes, there are also stories that after B.Pharm, people are also joining. Okay, now sir, from where we can do some internship or some courses. So one of the popular organization is Clean India. Okay, many of my students already did from Clean India. You can join at Clean India. They are actually providing huge amount of courses. Okay, you have to visit from their site, from where I have taken this actually the screenshot. You have to visit Clean India. Okay, you have to go this clinical research and courses. You will get according to yourself. There are various courses are available. Other organizations like ICMPI, okay, very good reputed organization. They are also giving lots of courses and your training, certificate training. There are some courses are available online. You can also join any of these things. Okay, so what next? After successful clinical studies, what next? The next is your new drug application. So here you have discovered molecule, and then you have done clinical studies. Somebody has developed your formulation. You have conducted a clinical trial. Now you have to take the approval from the government. In US, this is FDA, Food and Drug Administration. In India, this is called CDSCO. So who will give you the approval? Basically, the pharma people who are working there, they will be give you the approval. Now, how to work there? So to work there, or to become eligible for to reach that area, if pharmaceutical jurisprudence, then your instrumental method of analysis, pharmaceutical analysis, then your intellectual property rights, quality assurance. If these subjects are your favorite subject, so you will be the perfect candidate to go reach at those places. Now, what are the posts and what is the area? Area is actually regulatory affair. And what are the posts? Like your health inspector, drug inspector, then your food inspector, government analyst, or inspector. Okay, these are various posts which are available under regulatory affair. So if you are very good in these subjects, whatever I have mentioned, as juries, IPR, then QA, IMA, and your pharmaceutical analysis, then you may go and join and excel in this field. Okay, simply do B.Pharm. After B.Pharm, you will completely eligible. You have no need to do M.Pharm. Okay, so yes, you have to do some internship skill, or you need some certificate, etc., to reach there, because maximum of the things whatever you are learning from our these courses, it will be not sufficient to help you to reach there. Okay, and after that, what next? What are the other career options? So when you get the approval, from government, you will produce in a very large scale. You will produce your drug molecule in a large scale at industry. So in industry, there are huge amount of scope or huge amount of workforce is available for us. Okay, so if you are going to industry, pharmaceutics, then your packaging technology, then analysis, industrial pharmacy, pharmaceutical production technology. If these are your favorite subject, then you will be the perfect person for industry. You have no need to do M.Pharm. Only B.Pharm is sufficient. There are lots of B.Pharm students are working there in industry. I was also in industry. You can see here my peak when I was in industry. So at the beginning, after when you will join industry, your initial designation will be assistant manufacturing chemist. Okay, then after your growth, you will become a production chemist. Then you will become manufacturing chemist. Okay, and otherwise you can also join in QC, that is quality control. You will join as a QC chemist. You will do such kind of experiments like titration, etc. Okay, you will join as a QC chemist, assistant QC chemist. Then after promotion, you will become the QC chemist. Then you will become the manager. Similarly, you can also join as a assistant QA chemist. Then that is a QA chemist, and later on QA manager. Now, sir, why there are different branches or different area or different departments are in pharma industry? The answer is, when you will manufacture some drug molecule, for example, tablet, you have to check the quality. Okay, so to check the quality, who will check the quality? The quality control people. Those are the working in quality control. So when I was in industry, I used to manufacture 3 million of tablets per day. I used to send some molecule, some of our sample to the quality control. They used to check whether any kind of defects is available or not, and if it is passed, then you have to tell yes, you can send it to market. But yes, I also have to take the approval of quality assurance, because they will check the other detail like your line clearance, then your environmental monitoring. They will also monitor quality assurance. Okay, and yes, quality control is also answerable to quality assurance. Quality assurance people will again will check that whether they have checked properly or not, whether they are doing their activity in a correct manner or not. Why? Because in the first area is the manufacturing, second area quality control is why to check the mistakes and defect in the manufacturing. Okay, and in your this quality assurance they will prevent the mistakes and defects in the manufacturing. Okay, so they will just check, these people will only check and they will prevent, they will also give the ideas, they will also tell you the recent your various guidelines, GMP, etc, etc to other people so that they may implement, and later on it will come to the your market, your drug molecule like in this manner, fit for use, which will be fit for use, qualitatively correct. Okay, so very diverse our world, and in our industry also the field is very diverse. Now these are various essential skills that you are supposed to require to become a very good industrial that is pharma person. For production, quality control, quality assurance, few things are common like basics, dosage form, tablet, capsule, syrup, etc, etc, drug and cosmetic tag. These are basics. Okay, these basic things are required in every sector. So when you will go for some interview for your industry, it might be production, it might be QC or QA, you should study the basics, dosage form, tablet, capsule, syrup. You should also study about Drug and Cosmetic Act, various regulatory updates. Okay, but yes, if you work in only in production, you should have a very good knowledge of your formulation development, optimization. You should have very leadership skill, very good leadership skill. Why? Because there will be huge amount of people, they will be working under you. When I was in industry, there was 64 person was working under me. Okay, so I was supposed to handle them. I was supposed to give them the task that you may do granulation, you may do compression, you may do your this thing screening, you may do your packaging, etc, etc. Okay, so you have to handle huge amount of people. You have to do time management, and you should have very good knowledge about the various evaluation parameters like DT, mane disintegration time, friability, pH, etc, etc. But in quality control, including your basics and your drug and cosmetic tag, you should have very good knowledge about the analysis, titration, UV, FTIR, SPLC, etc. Okay, you should have a very good tendency to work under pressure. Okay, you should have a because there will be very long calculations and your time management should be there. In quality assurance also, you should have a very good knowledge about pharmaceutical industrial management, and here again you have to show you some leadership skills. Environmental monitoring, line clearance, this thing will be given. And yes, in quality assurance, maximum of the work will be in computer. You have to do data, and you have to maintain the various your documentation work. Okay, so this is your diverse field, and you need these skills. When you will go for interview, you should prepare according to this chart. Okay, I hope you will be able to success in your interview for any kind of industrial that is training, industrial interview or industrial job. So where or what are the top industry in our India? These are our top pharmaceutical industry like Sun Pharma, Davies, Intas, Macleod, and Torrent. And yes, our this pharma industry actually also making some people their owner to become the richest Indian. If you may just collect the 26 richest Indian, there will be total 5 of the richest Indian from pharma field. Okay, like Dalip Singhvi, he is the that is I think he's the owner or he's the ultimate head of your Sun Pharma. Murli Devi, he's the ultimately boss of your this Davies laboratories. Okay, so similarly, if you see our India's top richest people, there will be a huge amount of people from your pharma field. Okay, so in simple, if many of you may ask me, sir, how to become rich, I will simply tell to start a pharma company. Okay, when they have started their journey, they have nothing. Their company was nothing. Okay, but they have maintained the quality, they have maintained the world-class standard, and today their products are actually taken up by various of the various countries like US, UK, and other countries. You have seen recently in your vaccine design or vaccine diplomacy, India was the highest seller of vaccine compared to all the countries around the world. Okay, so that's why you may either join in this company or you may start your own company also for your startup. I will also suggest that if you are interested in pharma, you may also start your startup. But yes, another thing I will tell you that this is a fact These are our India's top pharma company, but these are not world's top pharma company. Any of these pharma companies like Sun Pharma, Davis, Intas, Macleod, or your Torrent, these are not world's top pharma company. Now, what are the world's top pharma company? These. Your Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Merck, your that's Aviva, Bristol Myers, Amagen, Gilead, Eli Biogen, that is your range of pharmaceuticals. Then other things like your Zoetis, Alexion, then your Biotech, okay, Elanco. These are our world top pharma companies. You might be so much feel amazed after watching that none of our Indian companies are listed in the Fortune 500 company. Okay, so that's why I will suggest you should think big. You should have a very big dream, or you should shape your career in a very big manner, because you are studying very hard. You are doing a lots of your dedication. You are showing your dedication to your studies. So you will try to first join these companies in world's top pharma company, whatever you are observing in the right side of your screen. Okay, and after that you may join to our Indian company, because why I am so much that is inspiring to you to join world's top pharma company, because I believe Indians should be everywhere. Indians should serve the world. Indians should take over the responsibility of the world. Okay, if you join in those pharma companies, your junior will also join. Okay, our Indian people will again and again they will get penetrated those companies, and there will be huge benefit. One thing, they are providing very high salary compared to our Indian companies. You will become rich. I want you may become rich. So another thing I will tell you, all of you might be know about this guy. Who is he? He's Sundar Pichai, the CEO of your Google. He's an Indian. Right now, Google is the top company in around the world. Nobody can take on Google. Okay, you know, Sundar Pichai is an Indian. This very young guy, he's actually from India. So if you may ask me, and this is you, so you can also become the CEO of these top companies. I will be so happy if any of Indian may become the CEO of this company. So those students are listening me today in this my webinar. I will be so happy if you also become the CEO or any of the top scientists in those world-class companies like Sundar Pichai. Because in our from India, we do not have that much of that is success. Indians scientists or Indian youths from pharma field who has actually become the top boss or hierarchy in these fields. Okay, so my dear students, you should have a think, you should have a dream to go those companies, work with those companies.